Namaskar. Good morning. It's a great pleasure for me to speak few words and to share my feelings with regards to learned community of the world, advocates of Secunderabad. Why I call them the learned community of the world and why I call them from Secunderabad for simple reason. Secunderabad advocates community since more than 100 years make a big leap with regards to their contribution to the edifice of the present legal sanctity which is prevailing in Telangana area. Starting from high courts, district courts to Secunderabad courts. The foundation of the Secunderabad court was laid not by cement and mortar, but by love, affection, sense of belongings to one another, and above all, space of learning which made our forefathers bent us not as juniors but as associates, as their children, to learn ABCD of a legal fraternity. I do remember all my gurus who were with me. They used to tell me, don't waste your time sitting here and there. Go to library. Turn at least one page. You will know one alphabet of legal fraternity. So, the biggest aspect of our legal fraternity is, the biggest rejoicing movement of legal fraternity is our elections which are fast approaching. Maybe March ending for a Secunderabad Bar Association. The president, the secretary, the treasurer, host of office bearers are not simple people. They are great celebrities worth remembering. Not only from today elections, but from previous years and years and years. So, my friends, my very humble request is, before casting your vote, my learned friend, think about it. With reference to the preamble of the Constitution, believe in it, put your vote in the box. See that all these office bearers, special president, secretary, and treasurer come together, put their heads, and see that they create a new dimensional livelihood for our advocates community in years to come. I see why I say this is, we have lots of space in Secunderabad to build up. There are several courts in and around which are to be brought down. If office bearers think, they can make a magic out of themselves, as they are doing since the beginning. And I was told, it was a heartful thing to know that canteen is coming. I am also extremely happy to see that there are several courts in and around. These courts to be brought to our vicinity, so that gives a sense of belongingness and livelihood. So our learned young advocates community, because for the advocates community, whatever seen on the surface is not that beautiful, is not that green, is not that wonderful, is not that enchanting. Beneath, we have sufferings. We should boldly share among our community. So, to get rid of all those ills, cast your vote to a president who can do justice to all these assurances. Cast your vote to a secretary, the head of the body, who can execute all these things. Cast your vote to a treasurer who stands with you and spends every single pie for your well-being. My blessings to all our advocates communities learned councils. We are proudly called to be proud of ourselves. Let us celebrate our festival coming by this month end with casting your most valuable vote. God bless you.